My Husky lt4600 mower belt keeps coming off. Replaced belt, tried changing alignment of guides. Nothing helps. Any thoughts?
Hello and thank you for choosing JustAnswer. My name is XXXXXX I will do my very best to get you the answer you need to your question. How are you today?
Fine, thanks. Hot here.
Same here, but we will survive.
Would have liked to mow, even in this heat. Any idea what's going on with the belt?
I will do my best to figure out what is going on with your mower. I know this can be frustrating, wanting to mow and can't. I will need to ask you a couple of troubleshooting questions and a couple of general questions.
Okay.
Which belt are you have problems with? Is it the deck belt or the belt that goes from your deck to your engine?
Mower deck is serpentine, goes through deck pulleys to engine pulley.
Okay, do you have the model numbers available from your mower? These numbers should be under your seat.
Husky lt4600, hydrostatic lawn tractor model series 790.
May I ask? If you raise your seat, there should be an 11-digit number there.
13WX791T031.
Thanks. I just took a look at your deck. Do you know which of your pulleys does your belt jump off of?
Usually front engine pulley, but can come off the left, if I'm sitting on the tractor, looking down.
http://www.partstree.com/parts/question-lc equals mtd and mn equals 13wx791t031 plus %28201% 29 and dn equals 7690540300013. In this image, number 47 is a belt keeper for your left side. Can you confirm that it is in place?
Yes, that is in place. In fact, we replaced that last year, it had broken.
Okay, thanks for that information. http://www.partstree.com/parts/question-lc equals mtd and mn equals 13wx791t031 plus %28201% 29 and dn equals 7690540300004. Take a look at number 48. Is it still in place?
Yes, it is.
With your belt removed, have you spun all of your idler's pulleys and spindle pulleys to check to see if they spin smoothly and is not wobbly?
They appear to be fine. The mower deck works fine for mowing until I disengage the PTO, then the belt comes off. Is there any sort of tension adjustment?
Have you recently replaced your belt?
Yes. Put a new one on today in case the previous one had been stretched. Problem persists and has been for a while.
Did you purchase an aftermarket belt or an OEM belt? Your deck is engaged with a cable and this controls your belt tension.
We bought the mower at Tractor Supply, so went back there for the belt. Package say OEM 754-04219. MTD code 954 to 04219 genuine factory parts.
Very good. Here is what I would like for you to try. Remove your belt completely from your deck. Spin each of your idler pulleys and both of your spindle pulleys by hand. Check for wobbly or loose movement.
Okay, that will take a couple of minutes to drop the deck.
No problem. Before you go, start your mower and engage your blades. Look to see if everything is spinning as it should. You will need to get someone to assist you with this.
My grown son is helping me with this. And yes, everything appears to be working fine when the belt is engaged. We mow for hours sometimes. The problem only happens when we disengage the PTO.
There has to be a belt keeper that is not close enough to your pulleys to prevent your belt from rolling over.
Drop deck, removed pulley covers, removed belt. Pulley spin free and do not wobble.
Thanks for checking. Check your belt keeper that is on the left side of your deck. See if your belt will slide in between your pulley and the belt keeper.
Yes, it will. The one on the right is tighter.
Try bending it in order to get it closer to your pulley. Close the gap enough to prevent your belt from coming off.
Okay, should we put the deck back on now?
Yes, that will be fine.
Okay. 1 minute. We've gotten fast about taking this off and putting it back on.
No problem. Also, double check the belt keeper near your engine pulley. Make sure that it was put back in the correct hole. There are 2 holes on the side that is opposite of where this keeper bolts to your frame. Wherever your belt will go on and off a pulley without removing a belt keeper, will be where it will likely jump off when you disengage your PTO and loosen your belt.
It's in the back hole. That's where it's always been. Is that right?
That is fine, just make sure your belt will not come off your pulley without first removing this keeper, or without some resistance.
Okay, everything's back on. Going to test.
Okay, let's see what happens.
Works. Engaged and disengaged multiple times without it coming off.
Bingo. I knew we could do it.
Hard to imagine that one guy could cause so much trouble.
Sometimes the simpler things in life are the most frustrating.
That's true. Thank you very much for your help.
You are welcome, and it was a pleasure working with you.
You too. Night.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.